Hello guys, blessings. It is High Priestess Jamila, and I got something special to show you guys. I wanted to show you how to use a couple of my wonderful potions. Okay, let's get started. So this is for if you need to get rid of some bad energy, okay, that may have been sent to you. All you need, and it depends on what the situation is, right? So this is one way in which you guys can use my potions, and it is guaranteed to work. Basically, this is the break poverty potion, okay? So this one is already programmed with certain things like break any poverty curses, any bad spirits. This actually has, and I do recommend adding, because this potion is very dark, it's almost black. Add a little bit, probably about a quarter cup of ammonia to it, okay? And then I also have my Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy potion that I'm using the rest of. And then I have a small cup of water. Well, it's not a cup, it's like a end of a bottled water. And then all you need is a broom. Not this broom. I'm not going to use this broom, but a broom, okay? So here's what you do, okay? And I just have this kind of sitting on top of a book. It got burned with it. It's all right. Okay, so we're going to add a little bit of this potion in here. And I'm going to add probably about a tablespoon. Okay. And it does have ammonia added to it. Okay, just for extra strength, you want to add some ammonia. Okay. So then you take your Dance of the Sugar Plum Fairy potion and you're going to add a little bit of that. And I've been kind of going heavy on this because I'm going to be making a newer batch very soon, like within the next few days. Gonna add this. This is really good for unfamiliar spirits, for maybe ancestors, maybe even things that are, it's for all things inexplicable. And then also it is to get rid of any Trojan horses that may have been sent your way. Okay. All right, so here's what you do next. All right, and it's cold out here. It's too cold outside for people to be messing around. So you're going to take the potion and you're just going to pour it outside your door. Okay, and I'm going to leave a little bit in there for something else. And then you just take it and you take your broom. This is like my little, because we're staying temporarily at a hotel till we move into our home. And you just sweep it away from your door in all directions. Okay. And you want to, let me really get this, sorry. All right. So you do that and voila. Then you can also, if you guys, let me close this door. It's cold out here. So I am going to go over and sweep in. I swept the energy away, going from the north, the east, the northeast and south. No, but I haven't done the west. So I'm going to go sweep it away in the west direction. But I'm going to put a coat on or something because it's freezing outside. And what you can do is you can follow up with another money potion. I actually made a potion just last night that was pretty freaking amazing. Okay. So, I'm more than likely going to use that particular potion to do the same thing, only I'm going to sweep what I want to come towards me, okay, with my broom, okay? All right, guys, for my potions, contact me. Because, if you have some kind of special needs situation or something going on or something like that, it can be made. Pretty much, I make my potions, they're like tailor-made potions, and they are absolutely phenomenal. And I got a Saturn potion coming up very soon. And y'all are gonna love, y'all gonna love it, okay? All right, to reach me, text or call 770-686-7461, and I will see you guys next time. Blessings, bye.